You about to cook something, Nate? Nate, Noah. So now we can open the refrigerator and freezer. Lovely. I need to make me a smoothie. What is that he just grabbed out? Why is that mustard packet in there? What you doing, Nate? You eating? What you getting? What you doing? Why is that pizza box in that direction? I need to throw away half of this stuff in here.
That watermelon ain't no good.
I was gonna say that watermelon's so good. That rice, all them styrofoam dishes right there. And then when did we get this? That ground beef. What did we get that for? So you need to cook something. Yeah. You need to do something and cook. No. Nate, what you doing with tartar sauce?
So does the
close it up.
Does the trash pickup change with it being with the fourth being on Saturday?
For next week? No. It shouldn't. No.
You sure? Is Saturday a regular pickup day for somebody?
No. I think it's only Monday through Friday. So they gotta.
So we should be good.
So we should be good with taking it out. What you doing? Well, we got all these. I need to get rid of all this celery that we didn't eat. That's the one we use. Boy, I almost turned the camera around to you. Nobody tried to see that. Come on, close this up. We just ate. Y'all don't need nothing else. Do you want some? Yeah, this is every day. You know, this is what you look like. Put this sour cream back, Noah.
You got me hostage over this corner.
You stay right there. What you finna do with sour cream?
No.
Did you eat these? You eating them old breakfast burritos?
No.
It was pretty good. I didn't think I would like it, but it was good. No, they in that blue package up there. I had them and I had some I got some more salsa. All right, Nate. We're not going outside right now. You gotta scratch your head, Noah. Nate.